everyone, welcome back to our Trust Basket Gardening channel. In today's video, I am going to share complete knowledge about seaweed fertilizer for your plants. You all must have heard that seaweed is a natural fertilizer rich in nutrients and minerals, and using seaweed as a fertilizer can help your plants grow faster, stronger and healthier. But do you know what seaweed actually is and what makes it so special in organic gardening? So in today's video, I am going to give full-fledged clarity on this special fertilizer. For sure, by the end of this video, you will get to know what is a seaweed, on which form it's best to use, its benefits, how to use it, and on which plants you can use it for. So let's get started. Seaweed fertilizer is made from seaweed that is harvested from the ocean. Seaweed contains essential plant nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and trace elements like calcium, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients are essential for plant growth and development, and seaweed fertilizer provides them in a natural and organic way. I would say both granules and liquid form work the same on the plants. You can choose it as per your choice and convenience. If you are using the granules form, mix it with soil or compost before planting, or sprinkle it on the soil around the base of your plants. If you are using the liquid form, foliage spray all over the plants by mixing it with water. Let's see how to use this liquid seaweed fertilizer. It is very easy to use. Just dilute 1 to 2 ml of seaweed fertilizer in 1 liter of water. Mix it thoroughly and spray it all over the plants. Or you can drench the soil as well. For best results, spray once in 2 weeks. Using seaweed fertilizer has many benefits for your plants. It improves soil structure, enhances soil fertility, increases plant resistance to pests and diseases, stimulates plant growth, improves root development, increases plant tolerance to environmental stress. You can use it on all types of plants like all indoor plants, outdoor plants, vegetables, succulents, fruits and flowers. So guys, seaweed fertilizer is a natural and eco-friendly fertilizer to your plants. It's very easy to use and provides many benefits. So if you want your plants to give a natural and organic boost, try to feed your plants with seaweed fertilizer. If you like this video, please hit the like button. For more gardening tips and tricks, please subscribe our Trust Basket Gardening channel. Thank you. Bye.